Hi, Seth with Educational Technology here with a quick idea for you biology and STEAM teachers. Take your students out for a nature walk, and while you're on your nature walk, use the Google app that's on a mobile device, Android device, Apple device, anything like that. In the Google app here in the address bar is this little camera. You can use that that's the Google Lens, and take some photographs. If you use the Google Lens here, use the shutter button. It'll take a picture there. You can zoom it in, and then Google will search for things like that on the app. Lead your students in a discussion if Google got it right or not. If you don't happen to have Wi-Fi connectivity at the time, you can come back here to next to the shutter button is this, and it will give you access to photos on your camera roll, and it will search for those. Again, lead your students in a discussion if they got it right. Awesome.